What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another upsum video. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to place a withdrawal on spin2money, and also I'm going to be teaching you guys how to deposit on this platform. So most people have been complaining that there was a new update on this platform that is recommending people to make a deposit, or let me just say have some amount of referral before you can withdraw from this platform, and we're going to be seeing that in this video today, if there's actually any deposit. So right here, I might have put you guys through every single thing already, because this is not actually the first video I'm doing on this platform. This is going to be the third video. All right, now I'm going to be heading straight into this platform right now. But before we get into the platform, guys, make sure to leave a like down below if you're a new subscriber, or if you're new to the channel. Make sure to leave a like down below, comment down below your name, and also share this video out to any social media platform, your WhatsApp status, any group that you are in, and let us boost this video out, guys. And I'm going to be sharing with you guys basic things you need to do before you can earn on this platform. Now let's get into the video. So right here, as you can see, we have the join option right here. So this is where I'm going to be logging in. Once I click here, I'll input everything. My password and username has been saved up, and then I have to click on get in. So as you can see right here, I have about 20.75. I can actually buy one of the plans right now. Like I can upgrade my account, like buy one of the plans. But I think I'll first of all make attempt to place a withdrawal from this platform, because they say there's a new update on this platform. So on this platform, basically what you need to do is to have referrals, and then you can also upgrade your account, and you can also click on this pin and earn money. So these are the three basic things you can do on this platform to make money. All right, now for you to start making money, the first step is to have referrals. All right, so as you can see right here, I have a sum of about 31 referrals. This is basically on my main platform right here. I applied to become a supporting service of this platform, and yes, it's working perfectly for me. I can earn money through that as well. So the next part is to click on this pin option you see right here. So for you to click on this pin option right here, every single day you'll be getting one spin, as far as you are using the free version of this website. So the free version is going to be showing starter, but if you want to upgrade and you click on this starter right here, it's going to take you to this place where you are going to upgrade. So the upgrading amount is about $20. That's about 8,284 naira. And guys, you can see daily amount that you can be getting about 1.36 to about $4 every single day. That is, you're going to be getting 2 spin on this bronze, and on the silver option here, you'll be getting from $3 to about 10.2, and you'll be getting 3 spin per day. So every single day you'll be getting 3 spin. The next day you get 3 spin, and it's unlimited, guys. You can continue doing this until you get tired, guys. So you can actually earn the amount you deposit into this platform back in over, let me just say, 2 weeks or 1 week, and you can earn it back again as far as you deposit the amount that you know you are willing to spend. So one thing I have to recommend to you guys again is that I am not a financial advisor. I'm only sharing my experience with this platform to you guys. So scrolling down more, you can see different plans down here. Depending on the one that you feel like depositing into, you can try out and see if it's actually working well for you. All right, now for you to deposit is pretty simple. First of all, you need to move your funds into this platform before you can actually select or buy any of this plan. And for you to move your funds, you have to click on this deposit option that is showing right here. So once you click on it, you have to input the amount you want to deposit. For instance, if you want to go for the $20 or the $50, or let me, the silver is $50. All right, so if you want to go for the $50, you type in $50 and then click on the deposit option right here. It will take you to this place, and then all you need to do next is to copy this wallet address that is showing right here, and then you have to send this exact amount of BTC. So you can just hold it down and copy it. You can just hold it down like this, and then you can copy the exact amount that is showing right here, and you can copy it and then go to your wallet and send it into this wallet. All right, if you have this exact amount of BTC, you can send it over to this wallet address that they are provided for you. All you have to do is to copy this wallet address and then set this exact amount into this wallet address, and then all you have to do next is to come back right here, and you can see here they say do not have BTC wallet, so you can choose to top up through other code or any other way. All right, but once you make your deposit into this platform, you are going to be getting your amount reflecting on your dashboard. And then once you start reflecting on your dashboard right here, now you can actually click on this three dotted line to go and upgrade your account. So this three dotted line right here, you click on it and then it will open up. Then you can see the upgrade option here. You can upgrade account. All right, now if you click on the upgrade account, it's going to open up to this place. Now you have to select the silver because you are depositing up to $50 on this platform, and you can basically get up to $3 to $10.2 every single day, and you'll be getting 3 spin per each spin that you get. Like you'll be getting 3 spin every single day. All right, now you can literally select to buy, or let me just say choose another plan. But right here, let me quickly place a withdrawal on this platform to put you guys through. So it's easy to place a withdrawal. You have to do is to click on this withdrawal option. It's going to ask you to fill in your withdrawal info, and then you click on OK, then give it time it to load. So I want to withdraw every single thing, and this is how much it was. And then you can see this is my BTC wallet saved in right here. So I have to input my password, and then I have to click on confirm. All right, so you guys can see the submission is successful, waiting for the system to review. Usually the account will be reviewed within 72 hours. So the last time I placed the withdrawal, it didn't take me up to 72 hours and I was able to receive my fund. All right, now if I should go back a little bit, now let me go to my dashboard. You see that I have zero more amount in my wallet right here, and that's because my transaction has already been sent out. All right, now let's go to transaction history, and you guys can see I've basically not even deposited anything into this platform. I was just using it for free, and because of how consistent I'm using it, I am making money with it. All right, I am making good amount of money with it. So you can see on my money in, you can see under the money in, I have nothing on the money in right here. So you can see the money in right here, I have nothing on this money in right here. But if I should click on money out, you can see money out, I've been paid about $7 to test this platform. That's for the first time when I was testing this platform. And also you can see the last withdrawal that I placed. This is under review right now. About $20.32 is going to be paid to my account really soon. So guys, this platform is one of the good and best platform that I've come across so far. Really easy to understand and really simple to make use of. I'll be dropping the link in the description box for you guys to hop onto it and make good move with this platform. All right, now so you can see right here they have their own Telegram group showing up right here. In case you have any problem, you can join their Telegram group and get more info. All right, now and also if you find any problem with this platform, you can also go to the Telegram group and ask questions, and they will answer your questions there. Or you can hit me up in the comment section or in my WhatsApp group, and I'll answer that as fast as I can. All right, so that's basically what this platform is. And for those of you saying that you cannot place a withdrawal unless you have a minimum of 5 referrals or that, as you can see, my referral is even above 5, so I have huge amount of referrals right here. And yes, if you have a good amount of referrals, it will help you. And the basic thing is that even if you are referring people, guys, you'll be getting referral bonus of about 10% of your referral daily earning. So imagine if you refer anybody and that person was able to buy any of the plan like $20 or $50, you'll be getting 10% of that person daily earning. All right, so that is one good thing you need to know. Referring people on this platform basically is going to help you earn extra income. So for you to refer, you just have to copy this link out here, and then you can refer people and you can start making extra money. So that's the video I have for you all today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I want you guys to stay tuned and make sure to subscribe to this channel, share out with your friends and family, and also leave a like down below, guys. Peace out, guys.